For the past 5 years, I've done a no spend January, and every year I leave the month just feeling so much better about my finances, and I also save a ton of money. One year I saved $1,700 by doing this. It's possible I've done this 6 years, but I lost count. This is part 5 of why you should do a no spend January. If you missed parts 1 through 4, go back and watch those. The 5th reason you should do a no spend January is to create lasting habits. The no spend month isn't just about January or whatever month you choose. It's not about that month just so the next month you can go and blow all the money that you would have spent the previous month. It's about creating lasting spending habits and lasting saving habits for the months to come in your future. When you experience the benefits of controlled spending, this is going to help you create the habit moving forward to be more intentional with your finances and to be more self-conscious of what you're spending throughout the year. This doesn't need to be like a one-time thing. I really do think that you need to do a no spend month every year. I just love doing it in January because we've spent so much money in November, December on the holidays and outings and food and all that. We go into January with that mindset of like spending and outings and all that, then you're not going to create any new habits. You're just going to go into the new year blowing money like we did in November and December on all these gifts. So by doing a no spend month, it just resets, like it makes you sit back and think about things rather than just keep going, keep spending. So that's why I like January. I hope this was helpful. Follow me so you don't miss my next video on tips for your no spend January.